Probably you've realized that I have been using IC markets for years now. And as a matter of fact, currently right now, that is the only Forex broker that I'm using along with my funded accounts. But in this specific video, I do want to answer you why is it that I'm using IC markets and checking if it's trusted or not. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, we're gonna talk about IC markets and see why this is the broker that I've been using for Forex and the one that I recommend you the most. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Now, what is IC markets? For those of you who are not familiar with it, this is a Forex broker that I've been using for a while now. And as a matter of fact, it was one of the first brokers that I started using with Forex trading. And there's a few reasons for it, but what it is a platform pretty much, or a broker that allows you to trade Forex using their platform. You already know that in order for you to trade Forex, you trade with currencies, with global currencies, with euro against the US dollar, right? So let's say that you actually want to invest in euro against the dollar. You think, okay, the euro is going to go up against the dollar. So you actually, if you didn't have a broker, you will have to bring your bags of, I don't know, $10,000 into the bank, or not even the bank, because the bank is going to actually steal your money. But let's say the bank, and you buy dollars, right? Right now, I'm going to buy a bunch of dollars or whatever, a bunch of euro with my dollars, and you get the 9,000 euro, whatever, go back. When the price goes up, you go to the bank one more time and then you sell your euro at a higher price and you make a profit. That's what you would have to do if there were no brokers in the market. But this is a broker where you can actually do that online and leverage from it and buy a bunch of euro against the dollar. That's just an example, but you can buy pretty much every single currency. So IC Markets is a broker that's been in the market for years now. It's actually located in Australia and fully regulated, which is something that it's very important when it comes to the market in Forex. It's actually registered in Seychelles, but it's regulated in Australia, Financial Services Authority in Seychelles and stuff. And you can keep on looking at all the regulations that they have. Once you actually go into the website, you can go to the bottom, see rules, terms and conditions and stuff like that. By the way, they do have a free demo account for every type of account that you have. So I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link. So in case you want to go with them, I may get a small commission out of it. So I would appreciate it. So now let's go ahead and continue. Now, trading assets is something that to me is actually super important. Meaning, what assets can I actually trade if I'm trading with my broker? Why is that important? Because in the end, what's important to know is that some people would trade with Forex. Some people would actually trade with CFDs and commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So with IC markets, you can trade Forex pairs, CFDs on commodities, indices, metals, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Why is this so important? Because when you're actually trading, it doesn't matter what type of strategy you're using. Pretty much they work with every single pair or every single assets. Only I think cryptocurrencies are the ones that don't respect that much the technical analysis. But other than that, I do believe that having a variety of assets to trade with will actually give you the option to choose what you want to trade with. For instance, I don't trade gold, but I know a lot of people that trades a lot of gold. Now, what I prefer to trade is actually Forex currencies and sometimes Bitcoin against the US dollar. But other than that, I rather don't trade with those instruments because I understand more Forex. So I have the option to actually trade with with Forex. I have the option to trade with commodities, even stocks sometimes when I want. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and choose any assets you have right here on IC Markets. Now, this is something that I believe makes a huge difference between this and any other broker in Forex, which is the raw spread account. Now, some people don't understand what a raw spread account is. So I'm just going to put it really, really simple for you. And we're going to go to this part right here where the accounts are actually right here. The raw spread account basically is an account that won't have any spread when you're placing positions. What is spread? For those of you who don't know, you place a position, let's say at 100 at the price, and the spread is 3. So that means that the trade will actually, if it's a buy position, will start at 103. If it's a sell position, it's going to start at 97, because those 3 pips are the spread of the broker. Now, that might not make any difference for you at this point, but trust me, when it comes to placing certain positions, just 1 pip will make a huge difference. For instance, yesterday I lost a position that was nearly close to the stop loss, but it didn't touch, and then it went to the right direction. But because of the spread, I actually lost it. That was in a funded account, though. It wasn't here. But that's the way a raw spread account works. Now, how is it that the broker will make its money? Because they do have a commission per lot. So what it does is that every time you place a position, every lot, they will take $3.5 out of that specific trade. Now, this varies depending on the asset. This is an MT4 and MT5, and with C-Trader, they will have a $3 commission. That's different. You will not have any spread, but you will have a commission. I honestly rather go with a commission so that my trade is exactly as I analyzed it, and then pay the commission. But just so that you have an idea as to what a raw spread account is, this is what it is. See if that's convenient for you, or if you prefer to actually have the spread and not pay a commission. But yeah, that's what it is. Now, the trading platforms that they have is actually pretty much the common ones, MT4 and MT5, web trader, phone and stuff. But the one that I actually prefer, the one that actually made me choose this broker is this one right here called C-Trader. And let me just go ahead and open my C-Trader. It's been a while actually since I haven't used this trading platform, because I've been using a lot more MT4 and MT5 because I'm using expert advisors. But this is what the platform actually looks like once it stops, keeps on loading. There you go. So this is what the platform actually looks like when it comes to C-Trader. Why is it that I love this specific platform? Because it's easier for beginners, okay? You don't have to use it. You can use MT4 and MT5. But for beginners, this platform actually is really cool, because when you create an order and you say, hey, I want to place 1 lot, and then you hit on the stop loss and take profit, here you can see what's the percentage that you're actually... there you go, 1,000, let's say. This is the amount that you're losing on your stop loss, and this is the, let's say the profit will be 3,000. This is the money that you're making, right? But you can actually modify before you place in the position the lot size. Let's say, oh no, I want to place 5 lots because I want to risk 50 and make 150. That doesn't happen with MT4, because MT4, you need to do the calculation yourself based on your leverage and based on your stop loss and take profit and stuff. Obviously, after time, you get used to it. But if you're a beginner with C-Trader, you can actually do that live. For instance, hey, I want to just make $1,000. All right, fine. Then it's going to be probably around 50 lots that you actually need to place with $500 in stop loss and $1,500 in take profit. Does that make sense? So when it comes to the platforms, this is one of the things that I love. But other than that, they have the regular platforms, MT4, MT5, and they have web trading as well. So I just wanted to let you know that. Now, there's something that I actually found while I was preparing for this video, and it was an auto trading feature that they have. Where is it that I found it? There you go. My FX book. Auto trade. Now, I had no idea about this, and it says IC Market is pleased to offer an auto trade to our clients, the next generation account mirroring, which is trading copy. service owned and operated by MyFXBook, which is something really, really trusted. This service allows you to copy the trades of any system you select directly into your IC Markets account with an auto trader. This is MetaTrader 4 only. With auto trade, you don't have to pay any volume-based fees or install any complex software, and it is as easy as connecting your account to MyFXBook and selecting the system that you like to copy. I have not used this before. I didn't have an idea, but what I see is that existing clients, you will need to log into your secure client area, which is the dashboard, and select open a new live account. Once your account has been opened, you will need to link this to an auto trade. To do so, please select the menu, launch a support ticket, and type auto trade, and pretty much they will actually do it for you, I guess. And I guess that's basically what I'm doing, right? And then says connect your trading account. You will need to connect your trading account. To do this, you will need to click the button below and complete the form. Yeah, so I mean, you need to contact support, I guess, to do it. This is something that I haven't done. But if that's something doable, and I'm going to actually look into it after the video, that basically means that you will be able to start copying trades based on MyFXBook, which is insanely great. But yeah, I wanted to let you know this feature. I will keep you updated to see if it works. But yeah, you have something new now. Now, one thing that I mentioned before was the free demo account. And yeah, they do have demo accounts for every single platform, which is insanely good. I'm not gonna open one. But basically what you can do is just open a demo account with every single platform that you prefer and start practicing. This is something good for beginners because that way you can, start learning in the Forex process. But it's also good for experienced traders that, for instance, you want to test an auto trader, then you use a demo account, you test it for a month, and then if it's good, then you transfer it to your real account. So there's actually something good to keep in mind. Demo account, they're always good, and they always give you a credibility as a broker. So yeah, you can open that one free. And last but not least, I want to talk about the withdrawals because I know that's something super, super important to you. And honestly, I've made withdrawals only through bank account transfers. I haven't made through credit card or anything like that because I don't use Skrill or any of those methods, or Neteller or PayPal. So the international bank wire is what I've actually done. It says it takes up to 14 days, but honestly, it takes about 4 days for me to actually get it into my account. And it's actually super, super fast. Credit cards, I haven't used it. No fees for withdrawals. That's actually something really good. And these Skrill, Neteller, you know that I don't trust them, but international bank wire to me works perfectly good. It goes directly into my bank account. Then I have to pay the taxes on that money in my country. But in the end, it saves money. I would love to have cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin withdrawals, but not all brokers have it. And especially this one don't have, and they are not expecting soon to have a Bitcoin withdrawal, but Bankwire is always good. And they're fast, trusted, I've made many withdrawals. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.